Hello viewers, you're welcome. Let's solve this viral problem here. This is Olympiad problem. AB equals 100, BC is 200, CA is 300. What is A plus B plus C? Where you have A to be greater than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0. That is, they are all positive. So now here, what we are going to do is that we are going to be picking each of these. AB, let me pick A, B, multiply by BC. Then the third one, I will make it a divisor. So I'm going to be having AB is 100 multiplied by BC is 200, then divided by CA is 300. So now from there you can see this we cancel this we cancel this. So A we cancel A, C we cancel C, B times B we have B squared, which is equals. Now we're going to have here is going to be 100 times 2, we have 200, then divided by what? Divided by 3. So now from here, so to get the value of B, we need to what? We need to take the square root of both sides. And before that, you know that this 200 can be split as 100 times 2, or 100 multiplied by 2, then divided by what? Divided by 3. So now from here, to get the value of B, but don't forget that B is greater than 0. So we are only interested in positive number. So we take the square root of 100, right, multiplied by 2, then over 3, and this will be like this, root 100 multiplied by root 2. Are you following? So from there you have B to be equal. So root 100 is going to give us 10. We have root 2. So now from here we can actually do what? We can rationalize. Alright, so by multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3. So from there we are going to be having 10 root 2 times root 3 will give us 10 root 6 over root 3 times root 3 will give us root 3 square, and that will be what? 10 root 6 over 3. So let us hold this one tight because we are going to use it. Now moving on, we're going to do the same thing what we did here. So we pick AB and BC before. So let me pick AB multiplied by CA. So now if I pick AB and CA, definitely BC is going to be our divisor. So AB is 100 multiplied by CA is 300, then divided by BC is 200, right? So I'm going to have here B we cancel B, C we cancel C, A times A we have A squared. Then here 0 0 0 0 cancelled, we have this to be 100 multiplied by 3 all over 2. So now we are interested in positive value of A, so we're going to have A equals, right, then the square root of 100, right, the square root of 100 multiplied by the square root of 3, then divided by the square root of 2. That's what we are going to have. It's like we are distributing square roots over all the numbers here. So this is going to be A equals, the root 100 is going to be 10 root 3 all over root what? Root 2. So now from here, so we are going to rationalize by multiplying both numerator and denominator by what? By root 2. So I have A to be equals 10 times this, we're going to have 10 root 3 times 2 we have 6, and root 2 times root 2, this will give us root 4 squared, and that's going to give us 2. So now from there, simplifying this further, 10 divided by 2, we're going to have 5 root 6. So we have A to be 5 root 6. We'll keep that one too tight because we are going to use it. Now lastly, let's see. We took AB and BC. We took AB and CA. So now the next one we are going to pick is BC multiplied by CA divided by, we pick BC and CA, definitely we're going to use what? We're going to make AB the divisor, then equals. So now BC is going to be, according to what we have, 200, then multiply by the CA that is 300, then divided by AB is 100, right? So we're going to have this cancel this will cancel this. We are going to be having 100 multiplied, because this will give us 600, so I can have 100 multiplied by 6 will give us this 600 here. Then I'm going to have here to be B, we cancel B, A, we cancel A, I have C squared. So C must be positive, so we're going to have 100, then root what? Root 6. So we have C to be, what is root 100? Root 100 is 10, then root 6. So we have this C. So that we have A, we have B, and we have C. So now go back to what we are looking for. Finally, we are looking for A plus B plus C. So what we are going to do here is to bring all these values of A, B, and C we have. So now let's bring them together. 10 is 5 root 6, then plus B is A is 5 root 6, B is 10 root 6 all over 3, then plus C is 10 root 6, 10 root 6. So now let's bring this and this together. 5 root 6 times 10 root 6, we're going to have 15 root 6 plus 10 root 6 all over 3. Or we can even take this out. We have root 6 here, we have root 6 here. Let us have root 6 outside. Then let's have 15 plus 10 over 3. Right? So now from there we are going to be having, this is 15 whole number, this is like 15 whole number, 10 over 3. So 3 times 15, okay, you're going to have 45. Then 45 plus 10, we're going to have 55 all over root 3, then root what? Root 6. So we have 55 all over 3 root 6. So therefore, so that is to tell us that what we are looking for, that is a solution. Alright, so which shows that coming down here, we are going to be having A plus B plus C to be 5, which is telling us that for this A, B, C, for all of them to be positive, definitely if we add them together, we must have positive result. And that's the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.